You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this pretty confusing word, and yes, the pronunciation is indeed confusing. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English, stay tuned, there are more videos for you. Assiduous. That's the subtlety here. You could essentially add a J after the D, alright? Jew. Assiduous. Assiduous. The stress is on the second syllable, the C syllable. Assiduous, meaning that you go and do the work. Assiduous. Assiduous, careful, methodical, persistent, assiduous. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.